This case gave rise to a new type of trust called a Quistclose Trust. Rolls Razor made a new type of men's safety razor, which included a sharpening stone and razor strop integrated into its case. It seemed to be doing well, so well that the board declared some very large dividends for the members. The problem with those dividends was that they bit into the cash flow of the company, which was already in some trouble. They were well over their overdraft with Barclays Bank, who would not advance them more to cover the big dividend payment. They needed over £200,000, equivalent to somewhere north of 8 million Australian dollars today. Barclays said if they could not find another source for that money, Barclays would cut them off completely. Rolls Razor arranged to borrow the necessary money from Quistclose and to have the money paid into a special account for the specific purpose of paying the dividend. It was a condition of the loan that the money be used only for that purpose, and this condition was also notified to Barclays Bank. Shortly afterwards, Rolls Razor went into voluntary liquidation. Barclays Bank were owed a lot of money, and they wanted the £200,000 in the special account to become part of the pool of assets to be distributed to creditors. Quistclose, on the other hand, said that since the dividend was no longer to be paid because the company was insolvent, the money should simply be returned to them. They claimed the money was effectively held on trust for them by Rolls Razor. The court agreed with Quistclose that a trust existed. Lord Wilberforce said, "When money is advanced, the lender acquires an equitable right to see that it is applied for the primary designated purpose. If the primary purpose cannot be carried out, the question arises if a secondary purpose, i.e. repayment to the lender, has been agreed expressly or by implication. If it has, the remedies of equity may be invoked to give effect to it." This case then established the Quistclose Trust, a trust which exists when property is lent for some specific purpose, with the mutual intention that it will be returned if that purpose fails. The property is held on trust by the borrower for the lender until the purpose is fulfilled, or failing this, until the borrowed property is returned to the lender.